Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a grand family home and compound tucked along a private stretch in the Upton community of St. Anne. This 5-bed, 5-bath home of approximately 6,500 square feet and 3 levels hold a commanding view position on the approximately 0.5-acre lot and with a distant view of the Caribbean Sea. It is built for the entertainment of family and friends with outdoor pool, gazebo, and rolling lawn in the front of the property. Inside, there are 2 long verandahs, a games room, living area, and well laid out kitchen and breakfast room, in addition to the formal dining area. There is a 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom on the main level, and 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms on the upper level, including a large master suite with walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. The house has excellent storage and amenities, with 2 staff bedrooms and bathrooms, laundry and accompanying living area, generator building, generator and water tanks. Some TLC is required, but this property gives so much bang for the buck. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $450,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.